Yes, I got the 3. And I'm betting penny. Oh shit, I'm betting 88 cents. I thought I pressed the 440. I thought I pressed this one. Oh well, I put $100. I really thought I pressed the 440. Oh well, I'm happy. I got the 3 for 88 cents. Hopefully it give me a good one. I pressed the wrong one because I didn't pay attention. I'm watching to a different person. Oh, I should. Come on, all the way. All right. Give me a good one. All right. See, that's my favorite slot there. I'm watching over there. Big win. 88 cents. Come on, Bulls. Double up. Spin. More spin, please. I need more spin. More spin. Oh, yay. Come on, more balls. Balls. I need a plus spin. Balls. Okay, good. Spin. Oh, more. Come on, spin. Spin. I need this one. I need that one. Alright, 250. Alright. I still have 2 spin. Oh, that's it. What a waste. Come on, boss. Alright. Spin. Please spin. All the way. Oh, that's good. Oh, another spin. Okay, that's good. Another spin. Come on, more money, please. 250. 250. Okay, we'll have 250. There you go. Alright. Oh, money back. Oh my goodness, money back.